A warm welcome to all my viewers. I am Vishal Dhal and today I will brief you about the chapter number 1, 2 and 3 from the book 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Chapter number 1, The Dangerous Deed. The story starts with an entrepreneur in her 30s who has worked relentlessly hard to create and build her life many people could only dream of. But few situations forced her to take actions which made her feel hopeless and finished. Hence, she wanted an escape from life because she simply thought that life was unfair and she didn't deserve this kind of treatment. Hence, she was left with only two choices. Number 1, to end her life. Number 2, to attend a seminar to experience a breakthrough in her life. With this, we come to the end of chapter number 1. Now chapter number 2, that is a daily philosophy on becoming legendary. Moving on, the scene is such that there is a large audience and an old aged speaker in his 80s. The speaker says that we should take use of every small opportunity to learn and grow through every situation and make the most of it. The greatest people in this world are not the takers but the givers. In this balance of life, one must work in originality, which means that people must focus on the deeds they do for others. Keeping in mind their own self, one must protect their inner peace of mind thoroughly. The speaker clearly states that each individual is a powerful, hardworking, and worthy being. He cites various challenges of life and the reason most of the individuals sacrifice their most desired dreams. It is because the fear in their mind is stronger than the faith which already prevails inside their mind. The bad situations people went through, the toxic people they met, the negative mindset they had previously, they were not just a waste. Rather, they were the very things which shaped everyone into a better being which they are today. The most discomfortable scenario, the most fearful events, the most heartbreaking incidences are what shapes you to become the best versions of yourself. This chapter slightly ends on a sad note. This is because while addressing to the audience, the spellbinder slightly feels uncomfortable and falls on the floor. Now chapter number 3, an unexpected encounter with a surprising stranger. As the story moves ahead, there is a complete silence in the auditorium due to the situation, and people are starting to leave the place. The entrepreneur was also one of the audience of the Spellbinders seminar. She met two other people, which are an artist who came to the seminar to learn more about creativity and increasing productivity, and the other one, a homeless man whose appearance looked poor. But as we move ahead with the story, it deals with various twists and turns. Initially, the entrepreneur wanted to attend this seminar because she wanted to save herself in life, which was being messed up, but the reason she gave to the others was similar to that of the artist, which was to increase productivity in certain areas of life. But deep down, we know what her reason was. Now, as the three of them have conversation, the words that homeless man was delivering was just too surprising for both the entrepreneur and the artist. At the end of this chapter, the entrepreneur remembers the words addressed by the spellbinder and made a vow to herself to solve her every little problem. This sense of confidence built inside the entrepreneur made her problems and the negative thoughts to shrink. Hence, she is ready to take on the new adventures of life. With this, we come to the end of chapter number 3.
Hi guys, I hope you must have liked our initiative of one book, 1 hour, 1 week. Also, we'd like to take a moment here to thank you guys for all your support and love as we hit our first 100 subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to keep yourselves updated for the coming videos. Thank you for associating with us and have a good day.